Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to AOL. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.aol.com and hit enter. After the home page of AOL opens up on your screen, at the top right corner of your screen you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the login button, you'll be directed to another page. In this page, you will have to fill in some credentials. You will have to fill in your username, email or mobile phone here and then click on next. Once you click on the next button and if you have filled in the credential correctly, you'll be guided to another page which will help you to log in to AOL. I hope this video helps you to log into AOL. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.